Hi, welcome to Tech Ranch, a place where we learn and earn technical skills in the most efficient way. Let's make coding fun. Java game application development. Guess it. Today we are going to present you a live demonstration on word game implemented in JavaFX Graphical User Interface API. Before we get into the demonstration, let's first see the design, development and the execution of Guess It word game application. So based on the requirements, the design goes like it's a one-tier game control. It will be stage-based style. We first create the scene, a frame, and it contains the word library, which contains all the list of words. We are going to use it in the backend for processing it and making a guess from the user. Key listener for interaction. Instead of mouse or action listener, we have key controls. Shapes to make hangman for number of attempts. When the user tried to guess the alphabet for a word, it will be accept as attempts and make a hangman if it is not correct. It will be more clear when we actually see the demonstration. When it comes to the development, first thing we need a library, a word library, which is in the form of the text file. You can have the XML file for the improvised version. Alphabets to pick and make choices. List of alphabets will be available and displayed in the stage. Shapes to draw hangman for number of attempts. So when the user tried to guess the word and pick the alphabet, and if it is not correct, then it will start drawing the hangman, the face and the hands and the legs. So when the hangman is complete, that means you couldn't guess it, and then the compiler will present the answer, display the answer. Main launcher will have all the control on the start the thread. Score will display the points, how much you have scored or how much you guessed the word. Key listener handling for alphabet key controls. When it comes to the execution, it's alphabet key control execution. Display the score, one player control. Blank style means it's like a fill in the blank style. So it will be empty boxes, and when we pick the alphabet, it will print it in the, if it is correct, then it will print in the blank style. Alphabet key choices, hangman style to display number of attempts. Now let's take a look at the demonstration. So it will look like this. This is the stage or the scene, and here is the boxes and displaying the alphabet to pick the alphabet from the user and displaying the points. And this is what a kind of a number of attempts you have done, and this is the button to start the game again. Now let's take a look at the execution. So this is my Eclipse IDE, and here is my source code word game. Inside that I have my word text file which contains all the alphabets, as you can see. Now this is my main launcher, hangman main.java, and here I have created all the stage and stack pane, and this is my game application, you can see. So here, since it is a key control, so all you need to press the key, alphabet key from the keyboard. So suppose I press A and it is not correct, so it is displaying the drawing the hangman. Now next I first try the vowels. It is not correct. It is not correct either. Okay, if it is correct, then it will display and put it in the blank style, and here you can see it will cross the E. That means you have already attempted and it is correct. And since I have almost done the vowel, I'm not sure if it is correct. I cannot still guess. M, it is not correct. R, it is not correct. I'm not good in this game too. Concluded. So since I couldn't guess the word, it make the complete hangman. So my number of attempts is done. Let's play again. It will reset and another word is here. So suppose start with I, O, U vowels. The basic rule of a word game is just start with your vowels and then try to guess with your, I don't believe this, I'm not so good. It's not correct. R retainer. Oh my god. So this is how this game goes. It will count the points also, as you can see here. E R not correct, S not correct, H not correct. I already did that. Attitude. Should be attitude. Yes. So here you see the number of attempts still exist, and I guessed the word before my number of trials was done. So this is the small application. If you see the design, it has two Java files, word reader that will contain the word text file, and it will work only for the library accessing, and hangman.java will contain all the design and layout, where we have the stage and your it contains your label, stage, or your score, logic, and your key listener, start game, stop game, reset game, and hangman designing. Here we have the circle and line to display the hangman for head and face, and legs and feet and hands. Show method in the start game. So inside the start game, inside the start method, we are overriding and calling the text file. So this is the execution of guess it word game implemented in JavaFX graphical user interface API. For any kind of assistance, source code needed, please contact techcrunch2019@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more upcoming interesting, informative sessions and demonstrations. Let's make coding fun. Thank you.